So a couple of days ago, I got this crazy idea to really find out how people are really interested in making money online. The easiest and the most profiting of them all will be starting up a YouTube channel. I was really curious and optimistic to see how people view content creators to be. And the biggest of all, how much they think that all those successful YouTubers they're actually making. Well, my goal was simple. Go out there on the streets and go get the information I was looking for.
Have you guys ever considered about creating of content? But do you have idea if YouTube is actually paying, like the pay well? What do you think like YouTube are paying for like a video has over 1 million views?
Depends though.
Actually, I've seen somebody that we're meeting. Just come to the right there. I'm seeing those two guys. So, by the way, hold my back for me. Hello, bro. Have fun. How's everything? I just want to make like a simple question, Sha, but I want to see like your view over it. And by the way, I'm kind of videoing, Sha. Hope you're okay with the camera. All right, that's okay. Have you heard about YouTube?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, YouTube is one platform that pays you like when you upload video, like when you have 1,000 subscribers and have 4,000 watch hour, they will pay you like monthly. You understand?
During our discussion, I noticed that it was not going to be easy for me to convince them to start up a YouTube channel unless I show them real stats, like real YouTube earnings. That is where Unspeakable comes in place.
So he does post his revenue on his Instagram. Let me show you his Instagram page. The video that just gained 249,000 views and he earned over $1,414.
I proceeded forth to show them another video with more revenue and they couldn't believe their very eyes.
$40,000 for just one video that gained 6.7 million views. Convert that $40,000 to Naira. Just convert it.
To this, the battle had just concluded. Now to the bigger question.
So what is your take? Are you interested in making video?
Making videos.
Yeah, making on YouTube. Yeah. Do you have any plan?
If I have a guy, I should get now. If I get guy to say,
Put it through.
put me through, understand?
Yeah.
Help me understand. Show me because you only follow those that knows the way.
Yeah.
To go to the right destination.
Yeah.
So you get. If I have somebody that shows me
How
how to go about it.
Well, he showed interest, insisting that if there's somebody to guide him along the way, he's willing to start making videos on YouTube. Finally, it was a favorable response and I was ready for the next person. By the way, my goal for the whole interview was to meet at least 10 persons.
You can make money, right? Now let me just show you somebody that is actually making like that's doing YouTube and making a good amount of money.
I also applied the same techniques and surprisingly they showed full interest, to which I promised to help them out film and upload their first couple of videos.
So let's see by Friday. Give me your number.
Friday. Oh, you having class.
Oh, yeah,
Let's put on Thursday.
Thursday. Call your number.
And that ended my day one. I'm hoping for the next day to be more better, at least interview more persons. So there's this popular trend I saw on TikTok. It goes like this: up and grateful, up and grateful, up and grateful. So I felt like giving it a try, at least to begin my second day with it. But in my own case, instead of doing backlift, I rather go with push-ups because I can backlift. Up and grateful, up and grateful. So let's go with 10 push-ups. Up and grateful. 1, 2, ready, go. Up and grateful. 1. Hey guys, so I'm set for school today. I just hope today's video goes very well. And straight up to the business of the day.
You know to pack? Yeah. Wow. That's good. Okay. Please can you just have this mic? I want to ask you something very important. Yeah, the record. How much do you think people that post videos on YouTube they earn?
At least they try.
Okay, you used to make enough money that you can post, right? How about you, bro? Can you just estimate like person gain over like 1 million views?
Depends on the content.
Okay.
You know they have anime,
Yeah.
skits making.
Yeah, this group tend to have idea about YouTube content creations and their revenue. Now, how ready are they to start making videos?
So, bro, how about you starting up a YouTube channel?
We have to discuss about it because we are into music and
Okay, time to join music and this.
They insist on focusing on their music career first before any other venture. Not the response I was looking for. So also the next one, and that ended my day 2.
Class, welcome back to day 3 of the challenge.
The same approach, how ready are they to start up a YouTube channel?
What do you think like YouTube are paying for like a video has over 1 million views?
that's more than $1,000.
More than $1,000. Okay, depending on the niche. So that means you already have idea about YouTube. That's a good one.
I have a YouTube channel.
You have a YouTube channel?
No, I started recently.
Recently? That's nice. So if I may ask, like, what's the YouTube channel name?
Not
Namdi Prosper. All right now, so I'll check into that later. He gave us a positive response. You already have a YouTube channel, Namdi I'll confirm from him later on. So that's it for now. So I'll go to the next person. The next person actually showed interest and he wants to start a YouTube channel. If I may ask, like, what is your passion? What do like you like find interest in doing?
Me, I'm a computer analyst.
Computer.
Yes,
Then
I'm
how
a
about
computer analyst.
I know that's a good
Programmer.
that's a good idea. How about now you start teaching people how to do some programming on the internet?
Yes, I will love it. I will
Love it.
yes.
Like a tutorial.
Yes, yes.
That's
I
a good
will
one.
love
All right, now so first thing first, I need to go research more about computer programming and people that do that, so I can see how they actually do their videos, so I can like let you know about it. Is that okay by you?
Yes, okay, by
All right,
now.
now.
I'm ready to go.
All right, now. No problem. So I'll take your contact, then later on we'll talk more about it. So you can start a YouTube channel. All right, sir. Thanks, man. Thanks. All right, now. No problem.
I got more and more responses, majority showing full interest, but one really caught my attention. She is shy on camera.
Depending on the subscription.
Subscription, that's a good one. Let me just show you a quick video here. Look at this guy here now. For just one single video. And I'm not sure if he spent up to that amount to even make that video.
So wrapping up this whole video, I think majority of the people that interviewed showed full interest. You see, we as humans, we tend to be easily moved by results. I remember each time I raised up the question that how many of you are going to start making content? It sounds a bit alien to them, but each time I just pull up Unspeakable's analytics from the Instagram page, they move from a state of having zero idea to start wanting to making content. So aside from that, two people really stood out in the whole interview. Remember the girl that I took her contact? Yes, and this other guy. Yeah, they both really stood out. I chatted her up later and this was how our discussion went. I sent her, hello, good evening, it's God save. The guy that met you at Arena concerning YouTube said, oh okay, how far are you doing? She replied, I'm good, and you? I said, great. Alright, you said by Thursday you're going to be ready to do a video. Are you still interested? So sorry for the late reply. I was very busy. Yeah. She said yes, that she's still interested. I said, okay, so what day will you be free? She said next week. The next week reached. I messaged her, hello, happy new month. Attend to the video. We agreed this week. When will you be chanced? She said, yeah, by Thursday. I said, okay. Thursday, I won't be chanced because I was having a class that Thursday. I'm submitting my GS workbook on Thursday and I also have about 2 classes that same Thursday. How about Friday or Saturday? She replied, I have class on Friday. I said, okay, since Friday and Thursday like are all booked, what's the way forward? Or won't it be possible? And she said, yeah. So that's how I ended with the first person. The second person, which was this guy, he wasn't too freaky about the figures that I pulled out from Unspeakable Analytics. There's something really unique about him. He kept on insisting that if there is a guy, like someone to guide him along the way, he's willing to start making content. You see, this group aims at the long-term goal, not necessarily the short-term alone. As of now, we are working on his first video and I will support him as much as I could possibly do. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do so, don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time.